Hi.
Hi. Welcome to Otter HB. Thanks for joining us. Today, Janine and I are out on a hike. We're in San Juan Capistrano, which is a couple miles from the beach, and we're just kind of out and about trying to get some miles in. So come join us and we'll have some fun. Let's go.
We just had a mountain bike zoom by us to get the day started. This is a new trail for us. We've never hiked this before, so let's see what we see, right?
Yeah, I was playing on Google Maps the other day and I seen this hike and I went, oh, what is this?
Yeah, somewhere different.
So we decided, well, let's go do it. A little bit different of a hike and something new to see. But look at that, it looks stunning.
Yeah.
If you look way out there, that's the ocean. Yeah, so it looks like there's miles of trails back here, so it's going to be interesting to see. It looks like we're doing kind of the flat side, but there definitely looks like trails for the high side to where if you want to hit steep, I think you can.
And so far we've seen 5 or 6 dogs at least, so it is dog friendly.
It's always a great way to spend a day, go out and do a hike, especially finding new trails. I love it.
Yeah, it makes it fun. Adventuring out.
There's the hawks.
Oh, they are circling.
Even in Southern California, you can find new trails. They're everywhere.
I think you have to walk a certain amount of time.
That's a pretty cool view behind me over there. It's us, trail, and the ocean. Like I said,
Yeah.
Pacific Ocean never disappoints.
But you can actually see the ocean from up here.
You can?
I was hoping.
You want to get a good view? Walk up a hill. Always say. We're going downhill a little bit, so.
It feels good.
It does.
You can tell I'm smiling and I'm not panting, so we must be going downhill.
You remember we'll have to go
know.
back up this hill though,
I
right?
do realize that. If you go down, you're gonna come back
If
up.
you go down, you're going up.
Okay, the smile's leaving me a little. Please show the hill we're going up. This is fun for Dave.
Up a hill. But I'll show you here in a second as soon as we get around this corner. There's this hill over there. Janine looked and went,
And there's a guy on it, but he almost looks like he's like going up a
I
mountain
know.
like this. You have to see it.
But look at this view. This is,
And so this is San Juan Capistrano we're looking at because it's real cute.
yeah, this is kind of, we turned a corner, so this is the other side looking straight out to the mountains.
Yeah.
And just kind of a stunning view.
Okay, so I wonder if there's that like Ortega Highway,
Yeah,
because you can take that from like Lake Elsinore to San Juan Capistrano.
yeah.
So it's probably right out here somewhere. Whew.
That was the hill. That was the hill I was talking about. We see some guy walking to the top. Janine's ready to do it, huh?
Oh, please, can I run? Wait, let's race.
I think we're gonna race.
Okay, you go first. I'll meet you there.
Okay. Gosh, got an ocean breeze coming in right now. How does that feel?
Great. Blow my hat off a little. That's a good thing.
It's a pretty cool trail if you're in Southern California and want kind of San Juan Capistrano back up in the hills. Nice hike. And what I was telling Janine about this hike that's kind of cool, it's a Sunday afternoon, and a lot of hikes we take, the trails are just crowded.
Yeah.
This one, I mean, it's got people, but not very crowded. These trails keep taking turns and we keep turning, so we might want to keep an idea of where we're at, though.
Can we get lost again? Yeah.
Lost usually means we extend the fun, so we'll see. So it's always interesting trying to figure out where you're at on hikes like this. There's the 5 freeway that comes down before it turns into Dana Point at the water, so. But it makes it kind of cool. The next time I'm heading down that freeway, I'll be looking and going, I was hiking right up there. Can't say you did the hardest hike though.
I don't need to say that.
Yet.
Yes.
You look at these trails coming down from the houses, and they don't get any coyotes in their backyard.
But out here, this is where the coyotes should live.
Exactly.
You can hunt the rabbits and squirrels and all that good stuff.
Hey, don't forget, as you're watching this and going, my gosh, this is just an amazing show. It's so much fun to watch. You know what? I should subscribe. Do it. And then when you see that little thumbs up, hit that like. It's not that hard. You're enjoying yourself, so subscribe and like. Thank you. How was that, sweet?
You feel that you're near the ocean here though, because the breeze has a nice little chill to it.
And the views just never end.
Yeah, the views go on and on. I love that.
Howdy. And the nice thing with a curvy trail like this
It is curvy.
is all the different turns give you a different view.
Yeah, it's like this.
I keep telling Janine, because we're at about 2 miles and we had decided today's hike was going to be 4-ish. Janine decided today's hike was going to be about 4 miles.
That's right.
But every time I make one turn, I go, well, let's just go around that one other turn. I want to see what it looks like. And I think coming around this turn here, looks like it's going to be the ocean, eh?
I think so, yeah. So I do want to go around this next turn. But when we get around that turn, there'll be another turn and then another. He'll say, let's keep going. It's hard to turn around though when it's so pretty.
But then I told her, if you want to get back to the car, we could just go up over this hill and then we should be able to get there. And what'd you say?
You know how I love a good hill. The steeper the better.
There just wasn't that much conviction into that conversation. So once again, you turn a corner and you go, okay, we're gonna go back up until you see way over there
A flag.
an American flag.
Cool American flag.
And then you go, well, I gotta go there. So we go there. Okay, everybody, you gotta see. What's his name?
Brutus.
Brutus. You're awesome.
He's like so happy.
They're like camping.
Oh yeah. I know.
Brutus, you are amazing.
His father is for sure.
Yes, we had one named Zelda. She was
Oh, I love that
Zelda.
name.
She was a blue. Hi, it's a baby. Hi, she's a blue.
So we just met our new friend. It's
Yeah.
Brutus. I'm in love.
How old? Okay, but now we're taking the path to Patriot Trail.
Yes.
And we just hit 2 miles. It just said it.
What she meant to say is we don't really mean 4 miles. Here's the classic, get to the top of one hill
Yeah.
and there might be another.
But there's the ocean.
There's Dana Point Harbor way out there.
Oh yeah.
That's
That's cool.
the entrance to the harbor way over there. That flag's cool.
Yeah, it is. Beautiful. It would be really hot here in the summer. I would not say
How's that, the view of a flag? That's pretty cool.
awesome.
How's that for a view? Pretty amazing. And the flag, let's give a shout out to all our military. Thanks for the work. You're awesome. How's this for a view up top though? I mean, you have Dana Point here all the way to Laguna. If you can see the point up there, that would be Palos Verdes. So there's a pretty good shot of the coast. Then you get up and look around here and there's a view. So we're kind of going back the same way we came. It looked like there was a bunch of different trails that we could have taken, but I haven't researched the trails. So you sit there and go, well, I think if I go this way, I should be able to go over this mountain and get
Over
there.
that huge hill.
But then it was all like, maybe I'll do a little research and do that next time. But that was so much fun going up to that flag, it's called Patriot Point. So this little hill coming up is one of the hills I told Janine we could walk up there. So we're gonna take a little shortcut and take the downside of it.
Let's hope it's a shortcut. Fingers crossed. Sometimes our shortcuts turn into long cuts.
It's either a shortcut or extending the fun. We'll see.
Wow, feel that breeze though. The breeze is
There's the
great.
ocean.
Yes, this is definitely a shortcut. Be careful. If you tripped, you would go rolling down this hill.
Yeah, you just work a different muscle going
Down.
down a hill than you do up a hill. You know, it's not that it's any easier or harder. A steep hill's steep either way.
Keep this.
Look at that view down the coast.
That's awesome.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, I want to see what the name of it is.
It's a little peculiar that layer's hanging over there, but besides that,
Harbor View Trail. Harbor View Trail, I'll remember that one.
glad I bring gobs of water.
Yeah, not true. We have a really nice GoPro bag. We leave it in the car. And then I bring Franny, you know, my fanny pack, with one little bottle of water. So we're gonna get Otter on board carrying the GoPro bag because we have snacks and water in there.
I know you make it Cliff Bars. I've got everything. First aid kits, compass, whistle, food, water.
It's so awesome sitting in the back seat of the truck.
That's good in the back seat.
Yeah, it needs to be here with us.
Funny. Janine and I were just talking, and hike's getting ready to come to an end. It's gonna end right up here. So I told Janine, I always do an ending, say goodbye to you guys. I go, we could do an ending from the top of that hill. And what'd you say?
But you would have to do it all alone. I wouldn't be with you. So, look at this little dog coming up.
I enjoyed that comment.
Yeah.
So I would go to the top of the hill, but I want to be with her, so.
Yeah, sure.
It's all right. So anyways, I guess what that means is thanks for watching Otter HB. I'm not going to the top of a hill, but thanks for joining Janine and I on this hike. It's been a great day. So till the next one, peace to your brother. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
So welcome to the way every good hike should end. We're driving home. How do you not stop at something that says Husky Boy Hamburger? Should be a great lunch. I'll show you when we get it. Okay, here we go. It looks like onion rings, a Frisco burger, cheeseburger. How's it look, baby?
It looks amazing. And the onion rings are homemade. They're delicious onion rings. So after a nice hike, this is what you want to do.
It's a good looking lunch. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. See.